Welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes. And these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Spider-Man t-shirt. But it won't be this Spider-Man suit kind of a t-shirt which you can find everywhere. No, here on my channel I create fashion. So I want to make something fashionable, creative, unique, something which you can't find anywhere. And design will be inspired by the new movie, Spider-Man Far From Home. We will mark all the places Spider-Man has visited. And I think it's gonna be very interesting design. So for painting you need basic clothes. I will paint on the t-shirt, but you can paint on the sweatshirt, on the hoodie, on the denim. And you will need fabric paints. If you have never heard about fabric paints before, you can watch my educational videos. I will put links in the description below. So let's get started! And first I will use a red color paint and big flat brush, and also I will need a rag to remove excess of paint, and it's important in this technique. And then I will create big circle at the center of the t-shirt, and it will be a background for the spider web, and I make such circular strokes. If you feel that it's hard for you to apply paint on the fabric, you can add more water. So this way you will create such slight watercolor effect. I don't use much water, I paint mostly with paint. I will put 2 or 3 layers of paint on the center of the circle, and then I will put just 1 layer of paint on the corners. So this way I will create fading color effect. And now it's important to let this circle dry, and I use hair dryer to dry it. And now I will use black color paint and round brush size medium to paint a spider. It's not so hard to paint spider, and I will show you now, but if you're afraid to paint freehand, you can paint spider first on the paper, and then you can use transfer paper to transfer spider from the paper to the t-shirt. And I fill in the spider with black color paint. And to put the second layer of paint on the legs of spider, I use small size brush. And now to make spider look more realistic, I will paint it with brown and white colors. And I put brown color mostly on the right side of spider's body and a bit on its legs. And with white color I paint highlights on the eyes, body and a bit on legs. And now I will use fabric outliner to create spiderweb. I love to use these outliners because using them I'm able to create volumetric lines, and such lines look amazing on clothes. But if you won't be able to find such outliners, you can paint spiderweb with brush. I will put 2 or 3 layers of paint on the lines to make them pop. And to paint spiderweb is so fun and so easy. And by the way, if you are not a Spider-Man fan, you can paint same design, but for example, don't paint red background but paint gray background, and on top of it paint spiderweb, and then you will have amazing t-shirt for the Halloween. And now again I will use big flat brush and red color paint because I want to create rays outgoing from this red circle, and this way I will make design a bit more artistic. And now I will use hard brush. You can use some hard toothbrush to splatter paint, and I will splatter red paint, or you can just throw paint directly on the t-shirt with brush. Okay, first part of painting is finished, and I love how it turned out. Not so complicated design, but it looks interesting. And now I will paint the second part, Spider-Man Far From Home part. I will mark all the places Spider-Man has visited. I will paint countries' flags, and also I will paint a location tags. So let's continue painting. And first I'm painting American flag because Spider-Man is from New York, and I decided to paint flags in an abstract way with brush strokes. For American flag I'm using blue color paint and red color paint. And first I dry this first layer of paint with hairdryer, and then I paint stars. I'm not sure can I paint all the stars because flag is too small, but I think it's not the most important in this design. And next flag is Italian flag because Spider-Man visited Venice, and I use green and red colors to paint it. Next one is London English flag, and same I tried to create it in the artistic way with the brush strokes. Prague, Czech Republic flag, and I use blue color and red color to paint it. Berlin, flag of Germany, I use yellow, black and red colors. And the last one is Swiss flag. Then I paint location text near each flag. And I decided that black color texts are so dark, so I will outline them with red outliner. And now I'm finishing touches. I just make more brush strokes, splatter more paint, and make some lines longer, just trying to make it perfect. And painting is finished! As I said at the beginning of the video, I want to make something fashionable, and I think I managed to do it. I mean, this t-shirt is not screaming, "Hey, I'm a Spider-Man t-shirt." Here is no logo, no Spider-Man suit, no Spider-Man image. You can just guess. You will look closer and you will see the spider, you will see red color, and you will like, Spider-Man? And then you will see all these flags, and you will like, Spider-Man visited all these countries. And then you will understand that this is Spider-Man t-shirt. And as I said, such design can be painted on the sweatshirt, on the hoodie, on the denim. And I hope that you will paint something like this on your clothes too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.